and I'm working on a seat adjustment control panel that was water damaged. It looks like this, not so bad. I already checked for short circuits, and I didn't found any short circuit, but I found this. So here at this component we have a melted or a broken pin. Okay, so the pin is missing, and I'm gonna take a shot to grind this pin and make a connection from inside to this pad. I checked everything else, and this is the only problem that I found. So let's try to repair this. I don't want to green too much. I think I reached the copper pin. Okay, we have two connections here, the one on the bottom and this one on the top. We don't want to make any bridge between them, and it looks like this pad is broken also. Let's grind to expose the copper. Okay. So I'm gonna run a wire from this component to this brace. Let's add flux. And now I'm gonna run a wire, 0.1 millimeter wire, copper wire. Let's zoom in a little bit. The tweezer is too big for this operation, although this is very sharp, and this is a needle for you to see. It's a sharp needle, so you can see how small the components are here. Let's add flux one more time. And a little bit of solder. And right now it looks good to me. I need to cut this extra wire. Let's clean. And I'm gonna zoom in again to check if we have a connection to the other pad that I exposed. And it's not. And let's check the continuity with those probes, big probes. And now I'm gonna dry this area. Because I want to mask that repair. We don't know if it's gonna work. We have to try, because the customer is at a dealer, Volkswagen dealer, and he cannot find this part. Right now I'm applying UV light to harden this mask, and I'm gonna use it in a combination of hot air and UV light. Just like that. And I think that's enough. That's it for this repair. Here is the area that I worked. It's very tiny. So I'm gonna send this back to the customer, and maybe if it isn't working, I'm gonna take another shot to repair it. But right now I cannot find any other problem on this board.